How to change birthday on Snapchat. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change birthday on your Snapchat. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is open up your Snapchat. After you open up your Snapchat, you can then tap on your Bitmoji on the top left corner. After you tap on it, you should see your profile. Now, there you'll find your birthday right here as well. So if you want to change your birthday, tap on the settings icon or the gear icon on the top right corner. After you do that, there you'll find your account section. Tap on birthday. After you tap on birthday, you can then change your birthday. Now, as you can see on the top, you'll get a warning that says, please select your birthday carefully. You can only change it a limited number of times. So just change your birthday however you want. So let's say I'm changing this and then tap on continue. Then tap on OK. And after you tap on OK, your birthday will get changed. And it's that simple. And that is all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.